everyone, welcome back to my channel That Frugal Diva. I am Shraddha, and if you don't know me, I create content on affordable fashion and budget lifestyle and post it on every Wednesdays and Saturdays. So please consider subscribing to my channel. So the inspiration behind this video today. I was thinking of making a styling video from a very long time, and I thought, being a budget fashion and affordable lifestyle content creator, I thought of including a piece of clothing which is available in everyone's closet out there. Obviously, a single thing popped out, and that is a t-shirt. So here I am styling a basic pair of t-shirt in 5 different ways, and I have included a solid t-shirt as well as a graphic t-shirt in this video so that everyone out there can somehow relate to this video and do a styling. So without any further ado, let's get started.
For the first look, I added boots to cinch the bottom of the paperback jeans to add a little structure, and a bucket hat to be the trendy one. In the second look, I have wore the same t-shirt just opposite or ulta, not flipping it inside out, but just wearing the backside on the front and the print on the back. Added a white shirt but have left the button unbuttoned and just tucked it in my jeans. Added cool glasses and heels to complete the look. Pencil skirts effortlessly makes you look chic and presentable. Paired my basic neutral t-shirt with a black pencil skirt and added some gold accessories to ace it. And it just looks wow. In the fourth look, I paired my solid t-shirt with a palazzo pants, and to appear not so basic, I added a neck piece, cellidos and a structured bag. For the last look, I am wearing the same t-shirt with a body-hugging jeans and boots. I added a broad belt on my bust to add that quirky factor to my look.
So that was all about today's video. I had so much fun shooting this one and hope you had fun watching it too. If you like it, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends. Please comment down below your favorite look from this video, and please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much. See you soon. Bye.